As fans gather at the Famoso Raceway in Bakersfield, California, for the 2009 National Hot Rod Association March Meet. Pulling up to the starting line in his nostalgia funny car Red Dragon is Tom Padilla. This is Padilla's first professional nostalgia funny car race. After a few minor adjustments from his crew chief, Padilla is ready to go in his 3,000 horsepower machine. Padilla takes off and within seconds hits 235 miles per hour. Just as he crosses the finish line, the supercharger in his engine explodes, which blows off the car's burst panel. Designed to relieve pressure in case the supercharger blows, the flying burst panel breaks the latch holding the fiberglass body onto the chassis. The 400-pound body launches an incredible 300 feet in the air, then slams onto the ground. Padilla has no idea why the supercharger blew. He writes it off to the intense stresses a dragster undergoes during a race. Due to the car's many safety features, Padilla escapes completely unscathed. Although Red Dragon's body is crushed and its engine damaged, it's salvageable. Padilla and his crew chief estimate it will cost $25,000 to rebuild the car.